Good day, everyone. We are the Group 2 and we are here to present our urban gardening report. So, next slide po. So, our objectives for our urban gardening is to construct a standard nursery using materials available in the area, practice proper care for seeds after sowing, and lastly, application of concoction and extract and biopesticide. So, next slide po. So here are the materials needed: woods, loam soil, seeds, water, concoction and extract, and biopesticides. So next slide po. So of course, we have here the procedures how we get or how we do our urban gardening. So the first step is sieve 3 parts of topsoil, 3 parts of compost, and 1 part of river sand. Collect the sieve materials. So next step po.
The second procedure is make a nursery bed with a 10 cm depth, length of 38 cm, and width of 32 cm. Third is make a small holes at the bottom of the nursery bed. Place the sieve materials to a nursery bed.
Apply moisture by sprinkling water into the nursery bed. Poke a little hole to the soil for about half an inch with a distance of 2 inches. Next is drop 2 seeds in the nursery bed, then cover them with the loam soil.
7. Transfer the seedlings and water it. Next slide. Transfer the seedlings and water 3 to 4 days. Observation of seedlings and
9. 3-week observation of plant of seedlings it.
The 10th step is application of concoction and extracts, such as application help is providing essential nutrients, protecting plants from pests, and promoting stronger, more resilient growth without relying on synthetic chemicals. This approach supports sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practices.
Next slide, please. Ang takeaways ko naman sa lahat ng ginawa naming pagtatanim is hindi siya madali. But pag nakikita mo naman na yung mga tinanim nyo is nagbubunga, napakasayang tignan. And also, sa pagtatanim, kailangan mo ng patient para dun sa mga tinatanim mo. Kasi para sa akin, hindi talaga siya madali para sa amin ng mga first timer lang na nagtatanim. Kaya yun.
Ayan, so my takeaways for this urban gardening. Of course, in terms of planting, I've learned a lot, especially on how to take care for a plant. Also develop numerous strategies on how to plant properly or effectively, and how manufacture organic fertilizer for the plant. So alam naman natin na sa subject na to is talagang iniingatan natin yung mga pananim natin kasi hindi lang dahil dito nakasalalay yung final grade namin, kundi talagang minahal na rin namin yung pagtatanim.
So, bali yung akin naman, yung takeaways ko dito is, syempre sa una mahirap siya, pero pagka araw-araw naman na namin nababantayan yung tanim namin is parang dumadali na siya. Tsaka mas sinundan naman namin yung mga procedure. So, may guide na din kami kung paano namin siya gagawin.
So, first of all, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa prof namin, si Mrs. Emily De La Paz, for teaching and giving us enough knowledge for this subject. And my takeaways here is I learned how to plant correctly and how to take care it properly. Kasi, di ba sa atin, as a first time na nagtatanim, mas gusto nating matuto ng matuto kaysa magkamali tayo kasi mamatayan tayo ng tanim. And also, I enjoy some of our experiments and making our own fertilizer. That's all. Thank you.
So, sa akin naman is yung takeaways ko sa mga ginawa natin, especially dito sa tanim is hindi siya madali kapag ka first timer mo and hindi mo talaga siya magagawa kapag ka hindi mo nasusundan yung mga procedures. Pero habang tumatagal is natututunan mo siyang parang alagaan mo siya ng maigi para hindi siya mamatay. Yun lang.
So, my takeaways in this subject is I learn a lot when it comes sa pagtatanim kung paano alagaan ang mga halaman. Even though napakahirap itong gawin dahil yung ibang halaman is mabilis malanta or mamatay. Dahil na rin sa panahon ngayon, kaya mabilis mamatay yung mga ibang halaman. And sa subject na ito ay marami akong natutunan and na-discover isa na rito on how to plant effectively para mas maayos ang pagtatanim natin. At isa na rito ang fertilizer na pwede natin gamitin sa mga tanim natin.
And my takeaways in urban gardening, building a nursery plant has a number of advantages. It gives young plants a regulated environment and makes sure they get the attention and nutrients they need to flourish. With this technique, plants can grow more quickly and have a better chance of germination before being transplanted. It also makes gardening more organized and effective by enabling improved space and resource management. All things considered, a nursery plant box is a useful tool for starting strong plants from seed. Thank you.
So, thank you for listening, and we will end our discussion for our urban gardening today. So, thank you guys.